Hello everyone, and check out this beautiful pink 7-piece non-stick cookware set by Innerwell. This essential set includes a frying pan plus a saute pan and versatile pots for every meal. The unique patented granite coating ensures food slides off easily and makes cleaning up a total breeze. You can cook with less oil because these healthy pans are free from harmful chemicals like PFOA. The durable aluminum base works perfectly on all stovetops, including induction for fast, even heat distribution. Whether you are frying eggs or grilling juicy burgers, these pans deliver professional results every single time. Upgrade your kitchen today with this stylish and functional set that makes daily cooking so much easier. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.